to check if someone has used your phone on the Google Pixel 9 Pro, first of all, you have to go for settings, and then you have to scroll until you find digital well-being and the parental controls. And now click right here, select the specific day, for example, like Friday, for example. Click here and then go into the times opened. Then you can go for a specific application. Like if you know that you probably didn't actually open the messages application, or for example Google Chrome application or Gmail, then just open this application. And now from daily, go for hourly. And if you are sure that you weren't touching your phone between 6 p.m., it means that someone actually did it. Someone actually opened this application 3 times on the Friday on the 6 p.m. And that's how we can do this actually with every application. So yeah, that will be all. Tell me if it is useful for you. Thanks for watching and subscribe.